and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually claim the rewards that you had unlocked on Meyo by simply doing daily tasks in the free mode, as well as in the activated monthly pass mode. So let's head on to Meyo. You open Meyo, and mostly when you happen to open Meyo, what you are likely to see is what I'm seeing right now. Okay, so the active tab is the one which is in the bottom left corner. So you need to head on to your profile tab by clicking the tab which is in the bottom right corner at the far end there in the bottom right corner. So click it. I don't know if you're able to see anything, but one thing I know is Meyo normally hides information, especially if you click your profile. So if you can't see anything, but at least you know where you have to click. So now from here, you need to click Tasks Center, the one just right below Invite Friends under Income. So you click Task Center. When you open Task Center, I'm pretty sure you're able to see now the things that I'm saying. There's Invite Friends, Watch Ads, 5-star. Obviously, all these are things that you've been doing, and these are the things that you're doing right now. So what you need to do is click Monthly Pass, the box which is in the bottom right, or in the top right corner rather. So click there, and you will see all these. Okay. So now there is this middle line. It's actually showing my progress through the month. So now what I used to do there are those ticks, there are those boxes on the left, and there are ticks that shows that I've been actually claiming my rewards that I've been unlocking by doing daily activities. So now you'll only be able to claim these if you've activated the monthly pass. Okay, I think I did a video on how to do that, but what I want to show you is how you can claim the rewards for doing daily tasks. So I never used to claim all these. They would just go like that. So on your right, there are these boxes like 5 goals, 5 goals, 5 gold coins, 5 gold coins, 6, 6, 8. I haven't been claiming all these. So I accidentally learned that I have to be clicking on them to receive them. So which is why I thought I need to share this with my family. Okay, so now I'm going to start clicking on those that are on the right. I've been claiming those on the left. I'm now claiming those on the right in the free mode. Here, obtained, there is now a tick. Obtained, there is a tick. Here, okay, even that one, even that one, even that one, that one. Okay, so these others, I claimed them. Okay, we are remaining with those. I think I just accomplished these tasks. This one. Okay, so now these are beyond the progress line, which is showing my progression through doing the daily tasks. So that's how we do it. So now we can head on back to the part where we're able to check how many gold coins that we have. Okay, so I'm gonna click tab so that I enter any family. Okay, I've entered my family here, Aisha's Empire. So click message, I'm in. Okay, so now I'm gonna click the gift box, the one which is on the, it's in the bottom section. Okay, on the right. That one which is actually shaking. There is that icon which is on top of the umbrella like icon. Now the one on the left, that's the gift box. So now we check, that's 920. By just claiming all those, I have 920. I had about 826. I now have 920. So that's how we do it. We can also check on what we have to receive in the monthly pass for the family. So you click there, you check tasks, then the rewards. Okay, so I've actually claimed everything that I ought to have claimed. Okay, beautiful. So that's how we do it, family. Go ahead and claim your bonuses.